Pip's Disappearing Diamonds. Pip the Peeker peeked out from his stone house. The world was covered in white fluff. "Diamonds!" Pip squeaked. "The sky is dropping diamonds!" Pip hopped onto a flat rock. A tiny crystal snowflake landed on his fuzzy nose. It had 6 long arms, like a tiny snowflake sun. "I'll call this one Spiky," Pip said. Another one landed on his ear. It was round and lacy. "I'll call this one Fancy," Pip whispered. He looked and looked. No two were the same. 1, 2, 3... 1,000,000 different diamonds, Pip counted. Pip wanted to show his diamonds to his friend Barnaby the bear. He gathered a giant snowball of the best crystals. He carried the cold ball deep into his friend's cozy, warm tunnel. "Look at my..." Pip stopped. His paws were wet. His tummy was wet. The diamonds were gone. Only a little drip, drop sound was left on the floor. "Oh no!" Pip cried. "My diamonds turned into tears." An old owl looked down. "Don't be sad, Pip," the owl hooted. "That is winter magic. When the ice crystals get warm, they melt. They turn from a solid snowflake into liquid water." Pip wiped his nose. "But I wanted a treat." The owl showed Pip a trick. They found a clean patch of snow. They tucked a tiny berry inside a snow clump. "A snow-truffle!" Pip cheered. It was cold, it was sweet, and it was the best magic of all.